Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Expedia on airport. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our browser. So at the browser, we can see here we have here our Google. I just open here and I search for Expedia on the airport. So at the airport, you can just use the Expedia. Okay. So to book a flight, so first of all, in airport, if you don't have Wi-Fi access proper, you can take their like net access. You can take the Wi-Fi, or you can just like from there you can just do it. Okay, so you can just open Expedia here and we'll search for this price guarantee. Okay, so this is how we can just use Expedia at the airport. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.